Welcome to another Theme Mountain video tutorial. This is part 2 of rows and section blocks. And in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to equalize two columns. And what that means is that I'm going to force two columns with different content inside to be the same height. So for illustrative purposes, I've already set up my section block here. And I have a right column with a lot of content and a left column with much less content here. I've also set the background color of each column so that we can clearly see it. And I've set the background color under Column Settings, Design Options, Background Color. Now let's have a look and see what this looks like in the front end. So here we can clearly see the difference between the two columns. So what I want to do here is to make sure that the column with least content always matches the column with most content. And this is useful when you're working with feature columns or you're styling columns with background color. So to do this, we go to our section block, we go ahead and edit it, and then we select Equalize. I'm going to go ahead and save that and update, and we can see what this looks like. And there we go, we have equalized these two columns. And this will stay the same even if we resize the browser or on smaller screens. Now, by default, the column with the least content will be vertically aligned middle by default. But we can obviously vertically align it top or bottom. And we can do this in the column settings. So we go ahead and edit the columns. And then we can simply modify the vertical content alignment and set it to top, middle, or bottom. And that's all for equalizing columns.